Now you are looking at the screen. There are MCQs from the text with answers. First MCQ, what should not be joked about in this discourse according to Francis Bacon? 4 MCQs are there. Multiple choice: religion, great people, matters of state, and politics. The bold letter religion is religion. Therefore, answer is religion. What is required to continually gather knowledge? Answer is asking questions. According to Bacon, argument should be made. 4 alternatives: reasons, questions, answers, and all above. Reasons, there is the bold letter is the answer. The lesson, does education do harm, is written by Bertrand Russell. What was Bertrand Russell reading? Bertrand Russell was reading biographies. The Spirit of Freedom is written by Rabindranath Tagore. According to Nee Osande, our earth will not die despite being. Answer is populated by humans. The synonym for the word consent. Consent means samati. त्याला समानार्थी शब्द 4 दिले: disagree, agree, live and learn. Consent means agree. The antonym, विरोधार्थी शब्द. The antonym for the word complex. Complex या शब्दाचा विरुद्धार्थी शब्द. 4, there is difficult, simple, complicated, easy, simple. The antonym for the word oppose is support. SUPPORT. In the essay, who according to the author had only 1 year of schooling. लेसन मध्ये असा एक रेफरन्स आहे की कोणत्या व्यक्तीने 1 year schooling कंप्लीट केलेलं आहे. त्याचं नाव आहे जे गोल्ड. JAYGOULD. What as some men profited by the lack of formal education? Eminence. हे त्याचं उत्तर आहे. Who regard the value of education as unquestionable? Answer is practical men. What did the famous naturalist Buffon write an account on? Answer is squirrels. SQUIRRELS. What is the other animal the essay mentions? What do teachers invariably believe in? Knowledge from books. Which classical scientists experimented with weights? Answer is Galileo. Who denounced fugitive and cloistered virtue? Answer is Milton. What is robust and in contrast with facts? Real value. Jay Gould had only 1 year schooling. What is the important factor in being able to hold arguments? Answer is discourse. What is the honorable part of discourse? To give opportunity. What do some people think of their wheat? It has been sleeping. What should people differentiate saltiness from bitterness? What should satirical people be wary of in other people? Answer is humor. Which sort of person asks troublesome questions? Poser. What should be speech of a man be? Well chosen. What is required for a discretion speech? Answer is eloquence. Who has leached the legs? Answer is humans. What releases the arsenic urine? Profit factories. Where does the infected rivers cause chaos? The answer is the seas. What is described as a specific daggers? Arsenic pollutants, infected lakes, infected rivers, and acid rain. Acid rain is the answer. Who, according to the poet, will rise again? The sun. Which literary era did Alexander Pope write in? Augustan age. How old is Pope when believed to be he wrote Ode on Solitude? 12 years old. What is the mood of the poem Ode on Solitude? Reflective and hopeful. What is the profession of the ideal man described in the poem Ode on Solitude? Pastor. Which rhyme scheme does Ode on Solitude have? AB, AB. Who is the poet addressing in the poem? Remember, answer is her lover. What kind of place is the poet going to? Silent place. 41. What does the poet wish to hear from her lover? Future plans. What does the poet want the lover to do? Not to grieve, that is. And what does the poet want the lover to? That is, forget and smile. Now just I have sent you about 2 files. One file contains 100 MCQs, another file contains 43 MCQs, and at the same time, when I was teaching you the prose and poetry section, at the time also I have given at the same time you with answers MCQs from the text. I have also given you all text in PDF form. If there is any problem, you can consult me, or more than that, you can consult with your friends and they can solve it. Now, one more instruction, today or tomorrow, I shall send you one exam, and there is online exam mode, there is a link, and you should fill in the link and you shall understand. That is how the once again practice test we shall prepare, and in the next month we shall again publish one more MCQ test for 10 marks. This test today or tomorrow I shall send you. This will be the practice test. It is not the final one. Therefore, as a student, you must be in a condition to store or maintain files or whatever there is videos which I have sent or PDF, and maintain at least this data up to the examination.